Okay, I had a request for what I eat in a day, so I'm like, why don't I just do it? These were out, so I just grabbed a handful of these to eat right after my workout. I don't know why. I make these pancakes with the Tone It Up protein. I feel like this mixes really well for protein pancakes. So I did half a banana, egg whites, and then this, and you just mix it. Oh, and a little bit of almond milk. And then I did almond butter, raspberries, there's blueberries inside. It's gonna be so good. I also try to make my own coffee. So this is iced cold brew that I made. And I used this primal creamer. So you have to warm it a little bit. So I warmed some almond milk and mixed this, but then put everything on ice. Just made this salad. I made some barbecue chicken. I just put it off to the side so I can take it out and warm it. Shredded cheese. I just had to use mozzarella because I was out of the other kind that I like. I'm gonna bring some cucumbers. I have hummus there already. Here's a guacamole for the salad. Yeah, that's my chicken. These are the tomatoes I used. They were by the sink. These are the best oranges from Trader Joe's, so I'm gonna bring one of these. Holly's curious. She wants some lunch. 10:23, this is when my students have their lunch. It's earlier than normal because we have to have more lunches than normal this year. So I'm gonna have a little snack and then I'll have my lunch later. Here are the cucumbers, and this is just some Trader Joe's hummus. Mmm. I'm back home now. I didn't record much at work because I don't record at work, but I had my salad for lunch. I had my orange as a snack. I actually had an RX bar. The almond, it's like vanilla almond, are so amazing when you get like a fresh one. So I just got home and I'm like, I want a cookie or something, but I don't want to eat a cookie. So I have these protein balls that I made. So I think it made like double that. So it's rolled oats, protein powder, a little bit of honey, and like mini chocolate chips. They are good, and I feel like that will like do the trick for my sweet tooth right now. I literally cooked my whole dinner and forgot to show you. So this whole pan was full of fajita chicken. Actually, there's still some here. I just took off the ones that were like definitely done. And then we have all the veggies, salsa, beans. These are the best if you like refried beans. Quinoa, I burnt it, oops. Now I have a Zoom with Katie Boyd, so I better sit down. I'm wearing my apron. Look how cute I am. There's my Zoom. Look how freaking good that looks. Oh my God.